If water is just H2O, why can't we grab hydrogen, which is abundant, and stick it to oxygen, which is also abundant, to make water and solve world drought? Because if we have the ingredients, why not just bake the cake? In reality, it turns out that coupling atoms is not so simple. Oxygen and hydrogen don't just naturally fall into each other's arms. In their natural states, both exist as stable molecules, perfectly happy on their own. To get them to bond, you have to break their current relationships. Doing that requires an initial injection of energy, like a spark or a flame. Once you provide it, the reaction doesn't just quietly create a puddle of water. It happens all at once and releases a massive, terrifying amount of energy, a sudden explosion of heat and rapidly expanding gases, the same explosion that destroyed the Hindenburg airship in 1937, and it is the same exact chemical reaction used to launch rockets into space. While hydrogen is the most abundant element in the entire universe, it is incredibly rare to find as a free gas here on Earth because it is so light. Any pure hydrogen gas escapes our atmosphere and drifts out into space, much like helium. So making water from scratch is not so much impossible as it is widely impractical, dangerous, and uncontrollable. This is why scientists instead focus on the water we already have, using desalination plants to strip the salt out of ocean water, or advanced filtration systems to purify wastewater back into something drinkable.